This time we are staying in room 213, which is on the second floor. And here's a view of the hallway. We came from that direction, and that's where the parking lot is. There are no elevators in here. This building has 2 floors only, and there are no elevators. And what's interesting about this resort is the keypads. So there are no physical key cards. You just get your code for the room. So this is a studio, which is a little bit bigger than a lodgette. Here's the bathroom area, the sink. And the shower is on the left-hand side. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here. If I turn on the lights, it's going to be really loud. So it's a shower with a bathtub. Nice. And coming back out, we have a very nice sized closet. With some extra blankets up at the top, extra pillows. Very nice size closet. There's an extra mirror inside the closet. And we have these really fun ski things here. This is a queen size bed.
Looks like a double.
We have a couch, some pretty fun decorations on the wall, ceiling fan, and we have this great view of Donner Pass Road. This is a sliding glass door, and it goes outside to a private balcony. And there is still snow on the ground. It is the middle of March, and it is a beautiful sunny day in Truckee. The front entrance, or rather the check-in place, is just over there. Now we're going to come back into the room, and we also have this nice 4-person round dining table. A nice lamp, very nice dresser with a TV, and I would say almost a full-size refrigerator. It's not a mini fridge, that's for sure. A clock, microwave, stovetop, an oven, that's exciting. We have coffee machines, sink, dishwasher, and we have plates and glasses. And I believe we must have some pots and pans.
Over here.
Pots and pans. This is all very, very exciting. This one is storage, and it's got a toaster, colander. So this is definitely a beautiful room. Let's see how big the fridge is. Very nice. Very nice fridge.